welcome to Cooking with Dad. And today we just came back from church, and when I asked what does the guys want to have for lunch, they said they want macaroni and cheese, and that for me that's the easiest thing to prepare. It's actually very easy. And you want to break your head? Please don't. So we're going to prepare macaroni and cheese the very easy, simple way, but with some few ingredients we have in the kitchen. For instance, we already have mixed meat available, which is in store. We've got onions, we've got some garlics here, we've got some vegetable from our garden at the back, some green pepper. In fact, that reminds me, Raphael, go to the garden, pick some mint. Yeah, get me some mint, please. We need some mint, we got some Italian herb. So what I'm going to do, I'm just simply going to marinate this the mixed meat. Just to quickly marinate it, turn it into meatballs, because they love meatballs, you know. Because they love meatballs, I'll do a quick stew with the meat oil. Once I finish that, I will boil the macaroni, then mix the stew together, then of course we bake it. Put it in the oven for a few minutes, just for the cheese to melt, and we're done. So it's pretty simple. What I'm going to do now, right now, is mix the mint. The mint is already, just break it into pieces, as you can see between here. Then put a slice of a few garlic in there, just to give you that zest of garlic in there in the mince. Right. So just put a few garlic in there, because we want that to reflect in the flavor of the meat. Okay. Yes, sir. Can I?
If you put garlic in mine, Mom said I should stop eating garlic because my breath is starting to smell like garlic.
Okay, that's one complaint from the boss here, who's telling me to stop eating garlic because it smells on his breath. Well, anyway, I won't put so much. And thank you, Rafa.
I got 10.
Ooh, these kids. You never send them to do things right. This is what they got me from the garden. Please, can you go get me more? I need more mint, please.
I'll go help him.
Please help me get some mint. We'll mix that together. Just mix that. Mix that together. A little bit of salt. I'm not a fan of salt. I use salt very sparingly. So just put a little bit of salt there. Okay. That's the salt there. Chilies, just a little bit also, because my kids, they don't like chilies that much. So just put in there a little bit of chilies. A bit of not so hot. If not, they're not going to eat it. So be careful with that, because these chilies are extremely hot. The chilies there. Got some Italian herbs. Just a little bit there. Italian herbs. Mix that together. Mix it together a little bit. Put a little bit of Chinese sauce or the barbecue sauce.
Barbecue marinade. We barely ever use that.
Thank you. Put that in there. Thank you so much, guys. A little bit of barbecue marinade. Just going to use a little bit of barbecue marinade there, just to give it add a little bit of flavor here.
I like barbecue.
Okay, that's enough. Just a tablespoon. Please put this away in the fridge. Put that in the fridge. Mix it together. Mix it together. Slicing it. Taste as well, because we're making pasta. Okay, that's almost ready. We'll have a stew. So we'll take from this oil I already have here. Let's put a little bit of oil here. garlic. I don't think the garlic of today, I don't know, in the market they're so small, so tiny. I don't know if it's a poor harvest or why the reason why garlic has become so small. They're so tiny. And we use them. I got some fresh tomatoes here.
Fun fact, did you know tomatoes are actually fruits, not vegetables?
So they say. Straightforward. Slice my tomato. Raphael?
Yep.
Just can I have the tomato paste in the fridge? By the way, when you blend, it takes longer for the water to get out of the tomato. So that's why I prefer to just straight from the pot. Remember the garden egg? This was a leftover from last week. It was in the fridge, so I'm going to use it because normally these kids, they don't like vegetable. So I put it in there my own way. So just to get them to eat vegetable. This is one way I do it. Put everything together because it melts into the stew. Then from there they cannot notice it compared to when you slice it and put it on the table. They look at it, this is disgusting. But in this format, it's properly cooked in, all ingredients, the nutrients is in there. So they really don't have a choice but to eat it together. As that is cooking, I'm going to prepare the meatball. Because I want every ingredient to just simmer in thoroughly. That's the reason why I'm putting everything all at once, you know. I don't like cooking where at the end of the day, some things are cooked, some are not cooked. Our food must be well cooked in a way. All the vegetables are there. While that is cooking, and I'm going to prepare the bit of green salt, soy sauce. If it's getting too thick, just add a little bit of water. But remember, the tomato is still cooking, so you don't have to add water yet. Let the water out of the tomato drains out. Once they have drained out completely, so you can know from there if you add water or not. As you can see, tomato is still cooking. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare my meatballs. Just put it in here, roll it like a ball. It's a meatball. Don't make it too thick or too big. Cut it to the bite size. So we do that now. Just make sure it stays, make sure it's not burning. Careful when you're stirring, so you don't damage the meatball. Okay? Looking good? Looking really good. Let's see. Okay, as that is cooking, something I'm going to do now. gonna let it cook for a few minutes. Right, this can go into the washing basin. Excuse me. Thank you. Very much. But that is happening. I've got a little bit of secret here. Coconut milk. It's my favorite, especially if I want to change. If I want to change the flavor of my cooking to Asians. By the way, in Africa we use coconut a lot. It's not actually an Asian thing. It's just that the African cuisine is not very popular around the world, and for some reason we haven't really documented our cuisines. That's the reason. But I can guarantee you that Africa have one of the best cuisines in the world. I've traveled. I know what I'm talking about. African cuisines is just out of this world. Depends on which part of the world, and every culture have their very unique ways of cooking, and it's brilliant. The more you travel Africa, the more you realize Africa is the most wonderful place to live on the continent, the planet. And I enjoy Africa as much as I enjoy Asia, Europe, America, you name them. But there's nothing like Africa to me. So we've always used coconuts to cook. It's part of our. In fact, in most African countries where they use it, they don't even use the one from the can. They don't consider it pure. They do it straight directly from the coconut. They just they do it from the coconut. They produce their own milk from the coconut. It couldn't be better than that. That's organic. That's original. That's serious stuff I'm talking about here. Okay. I'm just going to let the meat cook a little bit. As you can see, it's cooking there. Macaroni is straightforward. Boil your water. Boil it. I'm going to put cubes. This is very popular in West African cuisine. Just crack it on it. Wait. As you can see, the stew is coming out very nicely. As you can see, it's almost ready. Actually, it's ready. What I just need to do now, as you can see, that's fully ready. Everything's looking good. I'm just going to add a little bit of the coconut water just to get that flavor. Just add it a little bit there. And that's it. That's the final product. The coconut, I tell you, is going to change everything. It's going to change the taste of everything. While we're waiting for that to be ready, what I'm going to do right now, it's already breaking there. I'm going to switch the stove over to prepare the spaghetti. Take it to a lower heat on the smaller stove. Why? So I can prepare the spaghetti quickly. Scoop 3, 4. That should be enough. 4 people. Macaroni is cooked. I'm just going to drain it. Just going to drain it and pop it in the oven with the cheese. I've already sliced the cheese, cheddar cheese. The cheese these days is so expensive, it's almost unaffordable for some reason, I don't know why. The price of everything is going through the roof, but we still have to eat. But we thank God for His provisions, everything. So what I'm just going to do here is simply drain this. Use my strainer to drain it. And also I've noticed that Dorothy also advises that when you cook, it's good to clean up immediately after yourself, because if you don't do that, it can actually become very taskful sometimes, you know, when you want to do everything before you clean. It becomes so messy, you get so tired and angry to do that. So I just drain that quickly. Again, I bring it here, pop it into my baking pan, my baking tray. Please put that in the sink. After that, you can see I've just done that now. The stew is long ready, as you can see there, it's looking nice. Let me get a big spoon to scoop that. It's looking very nice. This will be a coconut meatball stew, I would call it that way. This can go into, I'm just going to splash that generously on top of my pasta or macaroni, whatever. My kids, we always challenge each other here on English language. They tell me, no, that is this, that is not that. So I will pass it with your cheese generously. Look, if you don't have cheese, it doesn't matter. Just top it up in the oven, pop it up there, and it's still gonna come out nice. Let's take this down a little bit. It's too hot. Right, I already preheat my oven. I'm just gonna pop it in there. Right, my oven right now is sitting at 175 degrees. Now we'll leave it up for about 5 to 8 minutes. It should be ready to serve. And then they can have their lunch. Call it a Sunday lunch. Give it a name, it doesn't matter. As you can see, it's finished. It's ready to go. It's lunchtime. Sunday lunch for the kids. I'm just going to serve. Gentlemen, please come and take your seat. You can have your lunch. I need a bit of salt. Are you soaked in that now?
Look at that.
Good. You know, these guys, they love this thing. They can eat it morning, afternoon, evening. They don't have a problem with that. So that.
What do you think?